Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on System. Now you need to choose Languages and Input at the top. Tap on On-Screen Keyboard and Revert. After that, select Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and manage Autocorrection thanks to this switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!